Hello everyone, my name is David from Lightext Tech Support, and today I want to show you how to disable, how to turn off the comments on your Facebook app. Maybe you don't want to turn off just a specific post, comments as an example. On my profile, found my profile picture. If you want to turn off the comments just on a post, on a profile, you have to find first that post, hit the three lines and press on who can comment on this post and choose between public, friends, and established followers, friends, and profile and pages you mentioned. You have to understand that Facebook doesn't let you to turn off all the comments. You have to choose between these settings. But if you don't want to take all the posts and do that on each of them, let's head into the settings of our Facebook app. On the iPhone is located on the bottom right corner, and on Android your profile is located right in the upper right corner. I will leave an arrow on the screen just in case. So let's head into that menu and now scroll a little bit down, and you can find here settings and privacy. Let's hit that. Now hit again on settings and let's scroll a little bit down. You will have to find public content, followers and public contents. You can find this right underneath audience and visibility. I will hit that and now scroll again down until you find public post comments. You can see mine is set on public by default. If I will change it to friends, that means only friends can comment on my photos, or if I can allow also friends of friends, it's also a thing, but I will leave that on public. Why not? I created this profile just for tutorials. So if you want to change the setting from default, you don't have to take all the posts and pictures each to turn that from the dots. So that being said, guys, I really hope I helped you today with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, leave them right in the comment section underneath this video. Have a great day.